friends, this is Sawan Kumar, and in this video, you are going to learn how you can generate unlimited leads for your real estate agency. Yes, I'm going to give you the exact steps, exact methods that I, and not only me, but hundreds of other agents have used to generate thousands of leads for themselves. This is a tried and tested method, and you must be using it. So, let me give you a little bit of backstory on how I ended up with all of this and why should you be doing it. So the backstory is like, I started with my web design agency where I was working with different types of clients and different types of businesses, and always was thinking, how do I standardize the processes? How do I automate the things? Because every new client brought in something new. Every new client had a different set of requirement. Every new business had its own design. Every new business had its own flow of website. So I was really puzzled because I did not want it to get stuck into manually doing everything. I am a big fan of automation and processes, and I always wanted to build in processes and automation so that my team can work easily without me having to get into the smallest of the things, and at the same time deliver the best quality of work and also be able to scale. So you cannot scale until and unless you have the processes in place, and you cannot have the processes in place if you are doing everything. So the idea is that you have to focus on one small area, one small business, one small niche to be able to build processes. And once you have the processes in place, you have the discipline that you have to follow, you can easily scale it up. Now that is exactly what I am going to tell to you in this video. And if you hit on the like button, hit on the subscribe button, and add a comment below, what I am going to share with you is 100% free ad and email templates along with a free training which will help you in generating all of these leads that I am going to talk about. So, when I was working with multiple businesses and not being able to standardize the processes and the systems and the lead generation process and the ads and everything, the goal stuck when one of my clients was too focused on building processes, and I realized that if I continue working with so many people, so many businesses, so many different types of projects, I can never standardize processes and I can never scale the operations. So what I thought, okay, let me help the real estate agents out there looking for online growth. So the real estate agents looking to grow online, looking to get more leads online, let me help them. And since I will only be helping the real estate agents, I'll be having the systems, the processes, and proven templates that can be used multiple times by all the other agents without me having to worry about the results, because the things that I would be sharing with you will be all tried and tested and ready to be used. So this becomes easy not only for me, but becomes easy for you, because now I am not trying and testing multiple things. Rather, I am giving you something that exactly works and that has already worked in the past, and that is for sure that it will be working for you in the future. So you get a ready-made template. You get all the steps of the funnels, the flows, the automations, the messages, the emails. You get all of it packaged at one place, ready to generate unlimited leads for you. That is exactly what you would be getting if you hit on the like button and the subscribe button and add a comment below. Share your feedback, share your review of how you are finding this video to be. Now, let us take an example of you serving as a real estate agent, and you working for different types of requirements. So somebody came with a commercial requirement, you are ready to work for them. Somebody came for a holiday home, you are ready to work for them. Somebody came for a multifamily home, you are ready to work for him. Now what happens is, whenever there is a new client with a new requirement, new different type of requirement, you have to then customize the things for him. You have to customize the documentations, you have to customize the pitch, the sales pitch, the listings. You have to do everything if you are working with different types of clients. And you can never ever standardize, streamline, work with a given process. So what is the solution to it? It's the same like I found it. Identify the niche. Now you might say that I'm already working in the niche of being a real estate agent. Well, that is not sufficient today. You need to further drill it down to a point where you can say that, okay, I am only working with home buyers looking to buy their first homes, or I'm looking for somebody who is looking for investments, or I only work in commercial properties. So something that is the smallest part of it, that you cannot further drill down. Now you will ask me that do Do I find enough customers in my area looking for only that particular thing, or looking for only that particular niche? Well, you will be surprised to see that there are so many people looking for that particular one problem that you are solving. So out of the so many problems and so many requirements that are out there in the market, you need to figure out that one problem, one solution, one need, one big problem of the client, and work on solving that, and the chain that it would build. So with you solving the one big problem of that one client, you would start a chain reaction where from 1 you will get 2, from 2 you would get 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, and so on, without you being buried with the work of working with different types of clients. Now, because you are solving that one particular problem, you are the master of solving that one particular problem, you don't have to worry about it. You do not have to bother about it, because you have all the templates and the processes already in place to deliver to the client. Your 80% or 90% of the work is always done. You are only spending time for communicating with the client and actually doing the work. Your backend stuff is all sorted. You're not bothered about scaling up. You're not bothered about going on multiple appointments, because your backend is sorted, your processes are sorted, your systems are there in place, your lead generation is in place, your lead follow-up system is in place. What the follow-up has to be, what the follow-up script should be, what the email should be, what the drip campaign should be, what the landing pages should be looking like, what your website should be looking like, everything is sorted. And when you have all of this sorted, it becomes very, very, very easy to scale. And when you are able to scale, what you have to focus on is appointments. Rest everything is taken care of by the systems and the templates and the processes, which if you click on the like button and if you hit on the subscribe button and you write a comment, put in a comment below, I will be sharing with you all the templates at absolutely no cost, along with about 20 minutes free training program on how you can be generating leads for yourself, unlimited leads for yourself at the lowest possible cost with the highest engagement and highest conversion rates. Give it a try and let me know if this works for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.